To back up Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can back up your Google Drive. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, on your laptop or your device, open up any web browser and on the search URL type in Google Takeout. Now, from this interface, select the first link that you get. Then you will land on this page. Here, click on the Select All. Now, scroll down a bit and search for Google Drive. There you go. Now, select the drive and scroll all the way down again. Then click on Next Step. Now on the next step, you will land on this interface. First of all, it says transfer to and send download link via email. But there are a bunch of other options that you can select. Click on this arrow button right here. Then you can choose either add to drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive or add to Box. Here the best one will be send download link via email. So select that and scroll down a bit, and under frequency there is option as export once and another one export every 2 months for 1 year. So if you like to export every 2 months for 1 year, you can select the second one, or you can go with the first one. And under that there is file type and size. There you can select your file type. You can either go with this GZZ or zip file. Here I will go with G file. And under that you can select the file size as well. You can export larger than this size and it will be split on multiple files. You can select the size as 4 GB, 10 GB or up to 50. Here I will select 2 GB. After you're done with that, now click on Create Export. Now your file will be on process, which can take a long time, possibly hours a day to complete, and you have to wait until that and you will receive a notification or email so that you can download the file. And that's how you can back up your Google Drive. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.